I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the workspace. Don gloves and run warm water to soften the paint. Once done, apply a small amount of olive oil to loosen the outer layer. Oil penetrates and lifts many paints. Make sure to blot, not rub, with a soft cloth to avoid grinding pigment into skin. If paint resists, dampen the area, wait 1–2 minutes, then reapply oil. This step reduces harsh chemicals and preserves the skin's barrier. Next, you escalate gently. Scrub in small circles with a soft brush and soapy water to break bonds between paint and skin. Once you see flaking, continue alternating oil and water to lift residue. If a spot remains, dampen a cotton swab with nail polish remover and press briefly. Do not soak. Acetone works fast and can dry skin. After each chemical pass, rinse fully with warm water and mild soap, so you remove solvent traces and prevent irritation. Finally, you restore the skin. Pat dry and immediately apply a gentle moisturizer or aloe to rehydrate and soothe. Make sure to inspect for redness or burning. If you see irritation or a rash, stop any treatments, rinse with cool water, and apply a cool compress. Seek medical help if symptoms worsen. If paint persists after these steps, repeat oil and wash cycles rather than increasing acetone time, because repeated solvent exposure causes more damage than gradual removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.